Hi, my name is Todd. I'm a technical product manager here at Unleash Live. How many times have you wanted to see what someone in the field is seeing and easily collaborate on live video? Unleash Live is a solution for live asset inspection and collaboration. Today, I'll walk you through live streaming on our platform and how you can easily integrate real-time asset inspections to avoid delays and capturing incorrect footage, saving time and money. Our example is an inspection of a telecommunications tower. In this case, we're working with a drone, but it could be a body cam, smartphone, fixed IP camera, or a mixture of all. With Unleash Live, it's as simple as providing the pilot with a stream key to enter into their device, and all footage captured from takeoff will automatically be stored in the cloud and available the instant the flight lands. No SD cards, no uploads, sideloads, or links missing permissions. I'll include links to our help tutorials in the description below to learn more about device setup. Another great feature of Unleash Live is a dedicated watch page that broadcasts the footage from all live devices. So a workflow might look like this: book a calendar invite, include the watch page URL, and have all parties collaborate as the inspection takes place. No further account setup, software, or credentials are required by stakeholders. Now let's jump onto the live stream. We can see the flight has started. As I mentioned, all the footage is being stored in your account and accessible later in case you miss something. Currently, there's just one device live, a Mavic Pro. You can have an unlimited number of devices activated and up to 4 concurrent live streams. Below are all the devices currently set up on this account. Setting up a live device takes less than a minute, perfect for incident response. As more devices come online, they'll appear next to the current Mavic Pro footage. Control video, audio, and view settings on your live stream page and go full screen for a more detailed view. Now let's complete the inspection and stop the footage. It's now securely stored and available in your media library, where you'll see all your previous footage streamed in by all devices, searchable by location, device, and timestamp. Select the footage of interest and share a clip or the entire footage with a colleague. Again, no need for an account or software installation. In this library, there are many example inspections from pipelines to construction sites. The need for faster and more efficient oversight of your assets and people are a game changer that we'd love to help you with. To learn more or contact one of our team, head over to unleashlive.com.